Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing power and verifying it. Do not assume the switch is enough. Once the breaker is off, use a non-contact tester to confirm 0 voltage at the fixture. Next, position a stable ladder so you can reach the spotlight comfortably and support the fixture with one hand as you remove the outer trim. While you loosen the mounting screws, make sure to keep track of small parts and take a quick photo of the wiring for reference. Once the housing is lowered, you'll expose the junction, identify and separate the conductor pairs. Carefully untwist wire nuts while supporting the weight so nothing drops, and inspect the insulation for brittleness or burning. Replace damaged wire ends. If the spotlight sits in a recessed can or track adapter, disengage clips or screws next. Make sure you clear any insulation or tight clearances so the new fixture will fit correctly. Remember to keep fasteners organized for reinstallation. To finish, reverse the disassembly. Connect light-colored conductors, tighten fresh wire nuts, and wrap with tape for extra security if the space is tight. Once the new spotlight or fixture is secured to its bracket and trim is in place, restore power at the breaker and test the lamp. Use a non-contact tester first and then turn the switch. If the light doesn't work or flickers, shut power and recheck connections, verify the breaker and bulb seating, and confirm the fixture is compatible with the circuit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.